Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done this video simply because I don't know like what questions to answer. I don't know. I haven't done it because like I don't have a lot of subscribers to ask me questions. I am just gonna answer some questions that I feel like are pretty basic and just questions that I feel like everyone should know about me. So and I'm doing this video so you guys can get like to know me even more. I feel like I just post like makeup tutorials and like, you know, vlogs and stuff, and y'all guys don't really like know me, like know like stuff about me. So I have some questions on my phone that I'm gonna answer. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, so what's your full name? My full name is Areli Orozco. Usually people pronounce my name Areli. I don't know, people just pronounce it really weird. It was annoying having substitute teachers. They could never pronounce my name, and if they tried to, like, I knew when it was my name because they would go like down the list and like of all the students, and then once they hit my name they would just stare at it like, what the fuck, and then they would be like and I'm like Areli, so I'll just be like, here. I was so used to it. And my last name is Orozco. So yeah. How old are you? I am 19 years old. I'm gonna be turning 20. I'm gonna be turning 20 on March 12th. I am a Pisces. I'm not into all that zodiac sign stuff. I find it pretty, I don't know, I just don't. I don't find it interesting like other people do, but that's, you know, that's me. Where are you from? So I am from Florida. I was born and raised in Florida. It's in the middle of Tampa and Orlando. Like, yeah, I'm pretty close to Jaclyn Hill and the Graham Dam. So yeah, I am Mexican. My parents were both born in Mexico. My mom is from Guerrero, and my dad is from, I don't know, it's somewhere by the border, somewhere over there, I don't know. How tall are you? I am, no, I'm not 5. I think I'm 5'1". I think I'm 5'1". I know I'm not 4 something. I know I'm 5'1". I think 5'1" or 5'2", I don't remember. Okay, what do you love most about doing makeup? I like doing other people's makeup because I just like making them feel, you know, beautiful. That's what I like the most, like seeing the reaction after I finish their makeup and just feeling like, you know, I made a day. What are you trying to do in life as a job wise? As job wise for later on, I do want to have my own cosmetics brand. I remember in sophomore year I wanted to have my own like clothing brand, and I kind of want to do that too, but I want to do my makeup brand first and then after clothing brand. So okay, I am the second oldest. So I have an older sister. Her name is Cindy. She's 25, 26. I don't know. She's one of those two. And then I have a younger brother. He is 10, 11 or 12. I don't know. He's in 6th grade. And then I have a little sister, and I think she's 8 or 9. I don't know. So yeah. How you got your ass ate before, bitch? What is your favorite makeup brand? So my favorite makeup brand would be, I want to say Morphe. I feel like Morphe is like such a really good brand. It's not like in the drugstore, but it's not in the high end. It's like in the middle. So I would say Morphe. Morphe is one of my favorite makeup brands. And then I don't know after that. After that, I would have to say ABH. I have a lot of ABH and Morphe products. What is something you have always wanted to try but have been too scared to? To be honest, I'm gonna keep, okay, I know I'm gonna sound so fucking stupid, and if my mom is watching this, mommy, I'm sorry, but I want to try the Ouija board, and like, may God be with me, but like, I know I'm not that stupid to do it because my mom did it and she told me that she didn't like it because it like was saying like a lot of cuss words and shit like that. But my mom always told me not to ever do it. but I want to do it because I don't know, but then I'm like, I'm too pussy to do it because I feel like, no, like what if I fucking die or some shit, or like what if something haunts me? Do it. I have seen too many movies, and I ain't trying to die. So that's one of the things that I want to do. But me, am I clear? Can y'all see me? Okay. Did you ever keep a New Year's resolution? No. Do you believe in ghosts? How the fuck yeah, I do. Hell yeah. If you don't, then like, I don't know, my boyfriend doesn't believe in ghosts, and I tell him that he's stupid because one day something's gonna happen to him and it'll be something really bad that's gonna make him believe in ghosts. But yeah, I believe in ghosts. I believe in ghosts. I believe in aliens. I don't think we're the only ones in this universe. I don't know, you can tell me the world's gonna end tomorrow and I'll believe it. I'm just kidding, no I won't, but I believe in ghosts. Simply because shit has happened to me and stuff has happened to other people that I know, and I feel like if there's a good, there's a bad, you know? What's one of your pet peeves? To be honest, I kind of get annoyed easily. Not like, I don't know how to explain it, but like I get annoyed like really easily. Like if you're tapping, like in school when people would tap their pencil on their desk like that the whole time, I would get so annoyed. I would be like, can you stop? And like when people chew like with their mouth open. But one of my pet peeves would be, my siblings know this and they do it on purpose just to make me mad, but I hate when people ask me so many questions in like less than 5 minutes. So like my sister knows, my sister does it on purpose to make me mad, and I end up ignoring her because it's so annoying. But yeah. Which famous person would you like to meet? Honestly, Cardi B. She's like, I have wanted to meet other famous people. I remember in 6th grade I was like obsessed with One Direction. I wanted to meet them, and I remember I told my mom I wanted to go to their concert. She told me no, and I started crying. But after that I didn't want to meet any other celebrity. I don't know, I don't know, I wasn't like but I would want to meet Cardi B. I love Cardi B. She's like one of the first female rappers I have ever like actually liked this much, or liked as a person. I like her as a person. One of the funniest moments of my life was with my friend Bianca. I'm pretty sure I've had many, but on the top of my head is the one I always think of because I love her, but this bitch is stupid. But okay, so she's one of the girls that I did the gingerbread challenge with. But what's it called? I was a junior, or I was a sophomore, I don't really remember, and she was a senior. So we had, I think, A lunch. So at my school it's A lunch and B lunch, and you know they separate the kids and blah blah, you know. So we had A lunch. School lunch is disgusting, like so fucking disgusting. Can y'all believe they were giving us hamburgers and expecting us to eat it with milk? That shit is disgusting. But I still fucking ate it. Well, actually I would eat it when I was really hungry. But so her senior year, obviously, you know, most seniors have cars. Lunch with her and another group of friends, right? So it was us as a group. It was like all girls. So we would normally like leave the school and go like eat McDonald's or like, you know, stuff that was nearby because we didn't want school lunch. And we did it like on a kind of on a daily. So I ended up telling my mom like, hey, like we go out and eat in case like, you know, someone saw me that knew my mom and told my mom, because we live in a city that everything got around and people are so nosy. So we were gonna leave, and they always said at my school they always left the gate open. That day I guess they started catching people skipping, skipping lunch, you know, and that day they closed the gate. So we were like, oh shit, like how the fuck are we gonna get out? And she like reversed, and the actual entrance to the school, that gate was always open. Like they cannot close it because, you know, obviously parents would come and pick up their kids to check them out. So in order to get to that side, we had to pass like this kind of like a sidewalk, like I guess you could say like a medium, but it was like, you know, it had cement on it. So this girl dead ass fucking says, fuck it, we're gonna go through it with her car, and her car was low. So we go through it and like we get stuck, like, and her car was like literally like half on the grass and the other half was like kind of in the air, and we were like, dude, we're fucked, we're gonna get caught. And the bitch like, oh hell no, not today. So she like presses on the gas and like we go, and like all you hear is like the cement on the bottom scrape her car. We all just stayed quiet. We're like, oh fuck, like that was so expensive. And then she was all like, oh well. And I was like, bitch, what the fuck? Like, I don't know, I love that girl. She's crazy. And like recently her car got stuck under a fucking tree trunk. I was like, I looked at her and I was like, Bianca, I love that girl, but god damn, I'm pretty sure she's watching this. I love you though, I love you, but alright y'all, so that's it for my Q&A. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I answered some questions that I thought some people would have, and then I answered some stupid questions, and then I answered some questions that I just wanted to answer, you know, because fuck it, why not? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos, and don't forget to put your post notifications on to get notified every single time I post a new video, you know. But yeah guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.